Hey, cutie. I saw you were looking a little dazed back there for the past couple of days. You know how we have that big exam coming up? Well, I want to do the best out of all of the other classes so we can get that pizza party. Even if the slices are thinner than my pinky. It's all about showing them we're the best, and we can't exactly do that if you're dragging us behind. Oh, no offense. But do you understand what the prof has been saying? Doesn't matter. I'll be at your place tonight around 6 so we can study. Of course we'll go to your place. Mine is completely trashed after the party I had last week. What? Just because I'm the class president doesn't mean I can't throw a party. Although, I was really sad when I didn't see you there. Aw, you getting anxious? That's so adorable, little mouse. I could just eat you up. Oh my, you're getting so flustered, aren't you? Calm down, I'm just teasing. While you are absolutely adorable, I could never eat you. However, from here on out, I'm going to be your new tutor. What do you mean, address? We live just a street down from each other. Just make sure you're in the mindset to learn when I get there, because once we start, we're hitting the books hard, and we're not stopping until I say so. Okay, see you then. Oh, little mouse, I'm here. Let me in. Oh, there you are. Did you think I was a serial killer or something? Breaking news. Murderous Lamia out on the prowl for cuties that also go by Little Mouse. Your face is so cute, all pouty like that. Come on, it's getting cold out here, and I can feel how hot it is in there. Thank you. By the way, I brought dinner with me since I noticed you haven't been bringing nutritional lunches. No, Doritos and Mountain Dew doesn't count as a nutritious lunch. Jeez, I'll just have to start making an extra lunch for you then. Learning starts with good rest and a full stomach from a proper diet. Now, come on, dig in. Ah, that hit the spot. Did you like what I picked out for you? Great. I just tried my best to remember what you've mentioned liking before and got the closest thing I could find. Alright, it's time to hit the books. Crack open your textbook and start telling me what you don't understand. Oh, little mouse. That's stuff we covered back in the beginning of the year. Have you really been confused this whole time? I can't imagine what that's like. Yeah, the professor does talk really fast. Sometimes I can barely get the notes down before they erase the board. How about we meet after class to compare notes? That way, I can make sure you get everything and I can double check what you jotted down. Perfect. I'd love to see more of you outside of the classroom. Here, how about you try out this question and I'll work along with you. I'll check it afterwards, okay? Sounds good. You can do this, little mouse. Huh? Oh, sorry about that. My tail sometimes has a mind of its own and starts coiling things I like. I can unwrap you if that's distracting you. Aw, thank you, Mousy. I appreciate you turning up the heat for me, but I truly warm up when I can wrap my tail around something warm. I also knew that once I started sitting next to you, I would probably start coiling you, so that's why we are studying until I say so. Now, you can't get distracted and forget to finish studying. Come on, let's get back into it. I don't want to see those pretty eyes of yours look up until you're done with your work. Just let me know if my tail gets too distracting. Oh, are you done? Let me check that for you. Yup, that's it. Great job, little mouse. Looks like you're really starting to understand this. Oh, sorry about that. When I get excited, I tend to squeeze whatever I'm coiling. I didn't hurt you, did I? Oh, good. I wouldn't be able to forgive myself if I harmed a single hair on your head. Unless, of course, that's what you're into, kitty. Oh my, I think you're more flustered than before. You are so fun to tease. Anyway, since you seem to know what you're doing now, how about we try another question that's gonna show up on the exam tomorrow? Alright, get to it and I'll see how you did. Has anyone ever told you that your hair is so fluffy? I just want to run my fingers through it while I coil you. I'll take that shy, flustered look as a sign that no one has said that to you. My, you are just too precious, little mouse. Oh, I'm sorry. I'll let you be. Just let me know when you're finished. Oh, you're done already? Let me take a look. Oh, you got it. It looks like you just needed the proper motivation. Hey, little mouse. I'm sure you've noticed that I've coiled much higher than your ankles. Would you be okay if we took a break? I'd like to coil you for a bit. Aw, thank you. I promise we will study more later. My tail is just really sore right now. You're making me feel so good. I mean, I knew you'd feel so amazing, but not this good. I could just keep wrapping you up until there's nothing left of you. Aw, I think someone likes being wrapped up by me. You must really love my tail, huh? And your eyes are so beautiful. I could easily get lost in them for days. Hey, little mouse. I've noticed you've been stealing glances at me ever since we started in the fall. You wouldn't by chance have a crush on me, would you? Well, either way, I've been doing the same. In fact, I've had my eyes on you this whole time. I just didn't want to scare you since I've noticed how shy you can be. But I couldn't wait anymore for you to make a move. So, I decided that it's my turn. And now that I'm here, wrapped around you, I'm going to make you all mine. You didn't have a problem with that, do you, little mouse? That's exactly what I thought. Now, how about you let me play with your hair while we cuddle? That's my good little mouse. I suppose that means we're dating now. It's about time. Although, I think you need some rest now, little mouse. We've been at this for a while. I'll make sure to wake you up in a bit so we can keep studying. But for now, just let me embrace you, my darling.